Sir? No, sir.
I agree with you, sir. It's okay, man. I wasn't in here. You're in here with it. You think I do? Try quiet here. Have a seat. There you go. And as far as you are concerned, that is what you are helping her to do. Teaching these gold-digging females that they need to go into the world to earn them living as work slaves. But then you realized that it wasn't just that. They were being used as sex slaves and even organ harvesting.
What?
Yeah.
Man, I still don't work to you know. We need a lawyer.
Lawyer? No, son. You're going to need an undertaker. If you don't let us help you, the person you're trying to protect not care about you. You're now a liability to her. Did you know that it is rumored that all her top henchmen are given cyanide tablets in case they get caught? Maybe you don't realize it, but you were the face of the organization. Okay, so you didn't know some of the darkness that was going on behind the scenes. But guess what? You know now. Contrary to popular belief, I happen to know that you loved your wife. The question is, how will you honor her memory? I know, that's a lot to digest. I'll leave you alone for a minute. Want anything from room service?
Memory.
Well, that's what I thought.
Gotta be ready, man, for how they come at you. King, man.
Yeah. Well, I think since we are among friends, it's only appropriate for all that could see, dog. So, Mr. Savage, what brings you here?
I got a reason amongst friends. It is. Oh, go on.
Yeah, I'm a savage.
Butcher. Oh, go on. Stone. Gentlemen, everybody else have one problem, and I come here to solve it. But we have to solve it the way me say it to solve. The man don't agree with that. We leave right now.
Well, I think I can safely say I speak for all present when I say, as long as your main focus is that one problem, we have a working situation. situation. Agreement, if you will. Nothing else, my brethren. Nothing at the play. Alright, gentlemen?
King, and a problem we are dealing with in our progress.
Alright, right, yes, sir.